Good morning to everyone. This is the Power of Healing with Utabi. Ungowekhetelo. So, I've been getting questions on my DM regarding the meeting kaPhakela Mthakathi ne-president, guys. Nongizwe. Ne. So, sometimes typing something does not give it itone le ofuna ukuyi-explaina ngayo. Ne. So I'm tired of typing, basically. Ngicela ukuyiphendula kanje mina, guys, ngesimoya. Ngizoyiphendula ngokuyihlola ngesimoya because ngeke ngathola umbuzo ukuthi bowukhuluma ngey'thunywa about iy'thunywa ey'vukayo namabutho avukayo ngalento manje sekwenzeka ezinye izinto. Why is that? And my answer was impi ayikapheli. Impi ayikapheli. Ikhani iqala impi ayikapheli. Impi ayikapheli. Now umuntu uzothi manje ngoba i-30 idlulile why uthi impi ayikapheli? Izinto azi-unfold, guys, ngendlela thina siyibona ngazo. Ngifuna ukukhuluma ngezisho eziyi-2 zesiZulu. Kunalesisho okay, not zesiZulu zonke, but kunalesisho esithi yawuchitha umuthi inkonyane. Kube nesisho in English ethi darkness and light have nothing in common. That should tell you a lot. Now, responding to what happened between the meeting, guys, amehlo awawaqamba manga. When I saw the pictures on Thursday morning, I think it was at dawn, I was worried because amehlo and the vibrations I was getting. I was worried because amehlo awawaqamba manga. Amehlo ayaqoqa. Now, angikho lapho, guys. I wanna explain something. Mistakes abe khona lapha. Guys, if ulwimpi yomoya, if ulwimpi physical, you must understand ukuthi ma ulwimpi yomoya, never think abanye abantu, and with i-level lempi beyikuyo, it wouldn't have turned ukuthi mhlambe obhuti bethu babulawe bengeke izisebenze kanjalo because already beku-expectwe lokho. The anticipation was that physical weapons would be used. Guys, people, as much as sicabanga ukuthi mhlambe siyazazi izinto, people are always 10 steps ahead of you. And especially, guys, we are all Africans. We know what African spirituality is. Regardless ukuthi uphuma iphi country, as long as umuntu omnyama, you know about African spirituality and the power and impact of African spirituality. Now, I'm going to highlight mistakes. Maningi mistakes ayenzekile kulento, but I'm going to highlight a few. The first mistake was publicize, was ukuveza umkhuleko wasentabeni on social media. Because all along, abantu bangaphandle were trying to get ways of getting into these people, to abobhuti bethu. And then now, and all the time, it was always just shown ukuthi kuthelwa nje into elezi. It's as simple as that. They never understood the depth of it until kuvezwa umkhuleko wasentabeni wamabutho. That was first mistake. Because then you are showing people unika confirmation ukuthi na into engihamba nayo, na into engisebenza ngayo. Guys, you don't expose yourself, your weaknesses, or your strength, sorry, your strength and your weaknesses to enemy yakho. Number 2, sesibabonisile umkhuleko. Guys, lento ekuthiwa ukuthathwa kwesithunzi, it is so real, guys, and you don't even know. Ukuthwetshulwa kwesithunzi somuntu, it's so real. Then I saw a video where ubhuti Phakela beke hlangane nama-Nigerians. I'm surrounded, and I said this is a mistake. Because manje bathatha willpower yakhe. This is a mistake. Mhlawumbe abantu abaningi bebacabanga ukuthi kuzovela isibhamu nani. No. Labo bantu, guys, they practice dark rituals. They practice People know ama-dark rituals, guys. People know when to get you when they want to. And the first thing that they would do, thatha isithunzi sakho. Because once uthatha isithunzi somuntu, you are removing i-willpower yakhe. Agasa operate nge-natural self. And you should know that. Once isithunzi sithethuliwe, awusa-operate nge-natural self. Now the meeting, the first question that he should have asked himself was, why esebusuku? Why did it have to happen at night? Lapho sekuzohlukana imikhathi khona, which was, I think it was 10 p.m. if I'm not mistaken. But why did it have to be at night? Why did it have to be at night? Because if you go into depth into the vibrations of the pictures, what I saw was fear. What I saw, was fear, was confusion of, and was conscience ukuthi ngenzani. Why am I here? You know, your body would, your spiritual self will ask you, why are you here? Wenzani? And that's the trademark. Yomvelinqangi to trademark yomvelinqangi is your unembeza wakho. A trademark yakhe to show you, because unembeza doesn't lie to you. Unembeza, one thing that unembeza can do, ungathe emuntwini mina ngiphila kamnandi, impilo yami imnandi, ngi-right. Unembeza uthi unamanga ubroke. That's the trademark. Unembeza will always tell you the truth. Now, there were so many loopholes that he opened nge-content. And yes, ngasetshenziswa the same weakness against him. Now, when the realization maso uphapeme, because even no more khona lesikhathi uphaphama khona and you realize ukuthi lana ngenze amaphutha, but ngifike kanjani la? It's too late. So when the realization came, it was already late. Isiwuchithile umuthi inkonyane. So I was just answering lama questions engibhizi ngiwathola about me saying ithunywa nanani, and another one was so manje ithunywa zakho yithini. Angifuni ukungena kakhulu, but yeah. I was just saying ukuthi impi yomoya mawuzoyilisa imoya kunezinto. That is why si advise ukuthi ngisho yenza izinto, ngisho light ikhandlela, guys. Amakhandlela, you don't make pictures of your candles, because people can read you, guys. Why is it possible ukuthi umuntu athathe isithombe sakhe ahamba yosithwebula? Kanti why lezo zinto? Why is it possible ukuthi umuntu uthole i-call kodwa umuntu akwazi ukusebenzisa the call ukukuthola? Why is it? Izinto zomoya, guys, izinto zomoya. And if you battle moya, if you're fighting against principalities of darkness, believe me, the principalities of darkness will retaliate double, because they know your weaknesses. Bengisho nje, guys. My 2 cents. Yabo.